Hello and welcome to Kate in Scotland. It's bonfire night. Fireworks! The fireworks have already begun. They started a few days ago, but they come to their pinnacle tonight at Glasgow Green. And we're not gonna go to Glasgow Green because it's absolute chaos. I am taking you to the sweet spot to watch the fireworks.
Thank you.
You love it or hate it? So the easiest way to get to West Brewery, which is where we're going, is to take the train, but it's super delayed. It's gonna be absolutely mental tonight. So we decided to take the subway to St. Enoch and walk, and it's about 20 minutes, and we'll get to see some fun things along the way. So you can kind of see the festivities happening over there, all the rides and food trucks, but we're cooler than that, so we're not doing that. Some of my friends are already here and they've told me that there is no room whatsoever, so let's see. Right. I don't know where my bells are, and I'll figure it out later. You want to get a pint? Yeah. Ooh, so steamy.
Maybe if we hit it with 2 layers.
Oh, there it is. Oh, now what?
That was fireworks.
Do you want to be on the internet?
Yeah. Yeah.
We have about 10 minutes until this goes off, and it is mental here. It's so crowded. Look at this. Hey!
Yay! Wow.
Now what?
Yeah, Tina Fey, that is working.
Yes? Do you have good time? Tell me a story.
Oh, I'm pretty sure he tried to blow up the parliament. Something to do with him being Catholic, and they were all Protestant.
Yeah, yeah.
And he tried to put a bunch of barrels of gunpowder underneath the government, and then he tried to set it on fire, and they caught him. They caught that motherfucker. And then he got burned on a big pile of sticks.
Yeah.
And so now we do it all the time.
We're in a taxi. Bonfire like crazy. The zombies gonna incest it.
Don't mind me. So we are in the Pacific Tiki Bar, which is in Partick, and it is lovely because West, after a while, got pretty rambunctious and stressful. Yeah.
That's like a meal.
Oh. That's sex and a coconut. I'm glad you paid £7 for both of them.
Very flaggy.
This street will make you up so much that the umbrella is already inverted because you're about to go through a hurricane.
I can't tell if it's the liquor or the lime. I'm gonna keep drinking it. And tries it.
Everybody.
Everybody.
Everybody have a shout.
There's a lot going on. No wonder this is umbrella. It's drunk. It's you. What's in the barrel?
Everybody in England is like, sweet, let's do that all the time. And it's like, let's build some effigies and light this motherfucker on fire. And so everybody just does it every year now.